How to update SafePal application. Are you guys facing this issue to update SafePal app on your mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update the SafePal app, open the Google Play Store on your Android or App Store on your iPhone devices. In the search bar, type SafePal and tap on the official SafePal wallet. If there's an update available, you'll see an update button. Tap it to download and install the latest version. If you only see open, that means your app is already up to date. Updating keeps you safe by adding new features and stronger security. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos and sign up for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you can update SafePal application on your mobile device. If you guys have any issues regarding SafePal, make sure to comment down. Bye bye.